Okay, friends, we are back at it with our paintings that we started the last class. We are going to be adding colors today. And not just any colors, we have some special colors here. Do you see them? We have red, yellow, and blue, and those are the primary colors. So we're going to see how we can make new colors with these. So I'm taking my brush out of the water and I'm putting it on the paint to make it work. Because without water, these don't work. So we have to use water to wake them up. I'm going to take a little bit of my blue. I'm going to pick one shape to start in. And since our black lines from the last class are dried, the black is not going to mix with the blue. Only wet paint mixes. But I see that I need a little more paint. So I'm going to dip my brush in the water and I'm going to get some more paint on my brush so that I can really add it to this shape. Now that blue shape is very pretty, so I think I'm going to leave it because I really like how it looks. But I'm going to pick another shape, and I'm also going to make this shape blue. And if you notice, I'm staying inside the lines. I'm not going over the black lines. I'm painting inside the shapes that I created last class. But I think I want this blue shape to look different, so I'm going to mix it with another color. Before I can mix it, my brush is very blue, so I'm going to tap, 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 give it a swish, tap, 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 give it a swish. And you don't need to pick up your water cup. I just did it so that you could see how I clean my brush. Once I'm done cleaning it, and I remember tap, 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 give it a swish, tap, 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 give it a swish, I'm going to swipe it on the side of the container because if we tap it, water goes everywhere. Now that my brush is clean, I can go to a new color and it's not making it dirty because I cleaned my brush. So now that I have some yellow on my brush, I can put it on top of the blue.
And my colors
What color am I making?
mix.
Do you guys see?
Now I'm going to
It's
spend
turning
the rest
into
of my time
green. So I'm going to tap, tap,
painting
tap, give
inside
it a
the
swish
shapes,
again,
putting
clean
one
it
color
off
first,
before I get more
cleaning my
yellow.
brush, and then mixing with a new color so that I make new colors inside all of the shapes. Have a good time doing this, and don't forget to clean your brush in between colors.
Okay, I have filled quite a few shapes by mixing colors. I mixed purple and yellow and it made kind of an orangey color. This is red and yellow that also made a type of orange. I have some red here, which looks a little orange in the video, but it's really a red. I have like a dark blue, I have a green, I have my blue. I'm going to leave this and put it on the drying rack so it dries, and tomorrow or next class I'll come back and I'll finish painting the other shapes. Don't forget to clean off your brushes gently. Remember, we don't splash them. And we're going to clean up our spot. Good job, friends.